Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So today's video is part 7 of the master bathroom makeover. There is 6 other videos about this bathroom. We have been working on this bathroom for the last couple of months, completely renovating it from top to bottom, and we have done all of the work ourselves except for the shower tile, so that is why it has taken so long. But now we are getting very close to being completely done with this bathroom, which is so exciting. So in this video we are going to be making a lot of progress here in the bathroom. One of the biggest things we'll be doing is installing the new vanity that I ordered off of Wayfair. We'll be installing that in here with the faucets, new hardware. Here to start off the video, Jalen is installing the transition piece here between the flooring and the carpet, and then he's going to be installing trim around this door here on the inside. He's doing the same kind of trim that we did in the rest of the house. And what we did in the rest of the house is we had the top piece of trim overlap the side pieces of trim just a little bit, just to give it a different look. If you missed the previous episode in this bathroom makeover series, be sure you go back and watch that, because in that episode we made this little half accent wall over here, installed the faucet, the tub, the light fixture. Now all I have left to do is put a painting up here on the wall, add some decor, and then this area over here will be complete. Okay, so they got the vanity in here last night, and we could not have done it without my 3 brother-in-laws. This thing is so extremely heavy. It took all 4 guys to be able to get this thing around the corners here and into the bathroom. But the fact that it's extremely heavy, I guess, is a good sign that it's good quality, and you can definitely tell that it's really good quality. I mean, for the price that I paid for this on Wayfair, I'm very, very impressed. So it is made out of real wood. It's got soft close drawers and soft close cabinets, a real stone countertop. I don't remember which type of stone this is. I'm thinking that it's quartz, but I'll have to go back and look just to see. And it does have the undermount sinks. And then our faucets are showing up in the mail today. This vanity is so pretty. I can't wait to start using this and fill up all these drawers and cabinets. I do have new handles and knobs coming today as well. I'm going to be doing black handles and knobs. It comes with silver handles, but I wanted to do black to match the rest of the bathroom. It has cabinets on either side here, and there is a lot of room in each of these cabinets. And then you've got 4 drawers. This top drawer has got some dividers, which is really nice. Okay, so I guess it only has 3 drawers in the front. I thought that it had 4, but this big deep drawer just has 2 handles on the front of it to make it look like it's 4 drawers that are like the same size. But this bottom one is just one nice big deep drawer. And here's the cabinet on the right side, plenty of room for storage. I think this vanity was right around $1,400, which for a 72-inch vanity that has real wood, stone countertops, sinks, all of that, that was a really good price, and it's really good quality as well. This is the Sterling Rivers Jasper 72-inch focus bathroom vanity. And they have it in a few colors. I think it was like this gray color, white, and then maybe more of a tannish color. I'll have to go back and look. I ordered this 24 pack of clear organizers off of Amazon to organize all of the drawers and the cabinets, and then I'll also use some organizers that I already have on hand. So I'm going to go ahead and do this here, and then when Jalen gets back home, we're going to measure for a new shower door, get that ordered today because we really need to get that ordered. And then he just has to do a little bit of work back here at the pipes, and then we can scoot this vanity back. I have really downsized how many bathroom products that we keep on hand. It all started when we moved twice in 1 year. It just really made me downsize and think about like, what are we actually using that's just sitting in these bathroom drawers, taking up space. And when I organized these cabinets and drawers here today, I downsized it all even more, got rid of even more products, and just kept what I knew that we absolutely used on a daily basis or weekly basis, whatever. Keeping everything clutter-free and minimal in this vanity will help me to stay organized in the long run, and these organizers from Amazon really helped as well. Like I said, I'll have them linked down below. They're good quality and they were just perfect for the bathroom drawers. So in the top drawer here, just have the everyday items like toothbrushes, toothpaste, deodorant, all of that. In the second drawer, I've got all of my hair items, skincare, all of that different type of stuff. It just feels amazing to have all of this organized. And then in the largest drawer down here, I just have all of the larger bottles of stuff, Jalen's shaving items, my combs back there, mirror, all of that stuff fit down there. And I only have stuff in one of these cabinets right now, so I might be able to do just towels and washcloths in the other cabinet. But in this one right here, I have two of these white bins from Hobby Lobby. This one here on the right has all of our extra items, so I've got extra toothpaste and contact solution, deodorant, all of those extras are in here. And then in here is all of my heat tools, my curlers, all of those larger hair items. And then this up here is my hair straightener. But that is it. That's all the bathroom items that we have. And so we've got plenty of extra room here for storage. And I had extra containers as well, so I can use these over in the other bathrooms. Okay, so we brought the laptop in here. We're gonna measure and go ahead and order the shower door. We meant to order this like 2 weeks ago, but we just never got around to it. So we need to go ahead and get that done today. Okay, so the UPS guy just showed up with our Amazon order. We got all the handles and the pulls for the cabinet here. And then we also got both of the faucets. I picked these ones because they have the cross design handle, and I wanted them to match the handles over here at the tub. And honestly, I had a really hard time finding faucets that had handles like this that weren't super expensive, so I was glad to find these ones. The next thing we're planning to do in here is to add 3 floating shelves over the toilet over here. That's probably going to be a project for another day, but we just want to do like some thin wooden shelves over there. Both of these faucets are installed, and Jalen just ran down to the hardware store to grab a couple more things for the water lines. So while he's gone, I'm going to go ahead and install these new handles and pulls. These are really nice handles that come with the Vanity, but they're silver and I want black, so I'm going to swap those out really quickly. So my last YouTube video was sponsored by Fetch Rewards, and I told you guys in that video that you could get 3,000 points when you use my code Hannah, and so many of you were excited about that and are trying out the app, so I wanted to let you guys know about it again in this video in case you missed that video, because you can still get those 3,000 points. And when I order stuff on Amazon, like all this stuff for the bathroom, I can get points on the Fetch Rewards app for that as well. So just wanted to give another shout out to that in case any of you missed it. It's free to download. You get free points. It's all free. And yeah, use those 3,000 points while you can. Okay, Jalen is back from the hardware store. He got all of the hoses that he needs to hook up the water lines. The only thing we don't have is anything for the drain, which he's gonna order that stuff online, so we're not gonna be able to like actually use the faucets for a few more days. So I'm gonna paint the trim for the bathroom with the same white paint that we used on all the rest of the trim and the doors in the house. Going to try and get this done before it rains because we've got quite a few storms rolling in here. Jalen is now installing the trim here in the bathroom, and this is the same floor trim that we used in our entire house. It's from Lowe's, and he's just attaching that to the wall here with his nailer. And then we're going to get all of this trim around the door here taped up and then painted. I had to do 2 coats of paint on this because we put it up before it was painted, and so that needed to be completely painted. And then I also had to do some touch-up paint on the floor trim as well. Okay, so this is as far as we're going to get today because we have to get started editing this video. It's Friday and this video needs to go live tomorrow morning for you guys. But the next thing we are going to work on is the shower door over here, and then we're going to be building floating shelves up above the toilet here. I'll have some live plants on those that can grow there by the window. We need to do mirrors and light fixtures and decorate, get hooks and toilet paper holder, all of those finishing touches put in here, but it is starting to come to an end. The vanity, the faucets, the hardware is all installed, but we can't turn on the water yet because, like I said, we're just waiting to get those drains at Lowe's. And once we have the drains, then this will all be finished and we can use the sinks here. But this countertop is just so pretty. You can see that design there. We still have to finish installing the backsplash piece. That's obviously not siliconed in or anything. Having the trim in here along the edge just makes it look 100 times better, helps it to look nice and finished. I still have to do some touch-up paint back there along the wall. There's so many little finishing touches when you're doing a project like this, like little touch-up paint and hardwares and hooks and just so many different things that we still have to get. Jalen got some more light bulbs put in this light fixture up here, and when you turn off the other lights and you dim this light down, it's so cozy in here, especially when it's dark outside. So stay tuned for more progress in this bathroom. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in a couple days with a new video. Bye.